What's up, Pyros? Here we go. We got the red, white, and bling 12 shot, 200 gram by T-Sky. Kind of zoom in here a little bit, show you the description. Looks pretty good. Pictures there on it. Get this record here. Caught it on sale for a pretty good price right there. So we're gonna light it up and see what it's all about. We don't shoot much T-Sky, so should be interesting. Could be a rewrap, who knows? But we'll see. Let's check it out, guys. Red, white, and bling by T-Sky.
I like that one. That was pretty. Thanks for watching. 3 and 9 Pyros. Have a good night.